Hello everyone, this video is about how to use the YouTube Studio mobile app. So before we go into the process, I would like to let you know, if you want to get yourself this YouTube Studio app, for those using Android, you can go onto the Play Store and search for it. Those using the iPhones, you can go onto the App Store, search for it so that you can be able to download it. So basically there are a few things that you can do onto the YouTube Studio app, and I'm gonna show you what you can do. So once you get onto the dashboard, the main reason of the dashboard, it does help you to get a glimpse of what's going on onto your entire channel, just a glimpse. So if you want to go into the details, everything over here onto the dashboard is put into a hint way. So if you are to switch then to the content section, where this is where you can find all your videos. So once you get to the content section, this is where you can edit a video. If you want to edit a video and its content, you're gonna tap where there is the three dots next to the video, so that then tap edit video, then you get over here onto the screen. Once you get onto the screen, you can edit the thumbnail. You just tap the pencil like icon over there, then you head on to where you can tap change. If you want to change your thumbnail, eventually after doing that, you head to the gallery and get yourself that new thumbnail that you made. Then eventually you then tap done. You can tap save. So over here are a couple of things you can do. Also change the video's visibility. You can change the playlist of the video. Over here, if you are to go down here where you see tags and what, let's tap there and see. So you can also add tags to the video, as you see over here. Then change the category of the video. You can also allow or don't allow comments onto your video, and eventually you can also delete the video on that section there. So if you're to go then to where you see analytics, over here you can see how your channel is doing, like in terms of views. You can get to know what impressions your channel is getting, views you get per day, not per day, views that you have got in the last 48 hours is also possible over here. In the comment section, as you see onto your screen, this is where you can find the comments about your channel. But for now, I don't have comments onto my channel because I don't have any comments, so you won't see any comments. Yeah, so for the playlist section, though it's still loading, let's wait. You can do a couple of changes onto the playlists. Like for example, if you tap onto the Twitter playlist, yeah, yeah, still processing. Let's give it I'm sorry for that, things processing. So you can do a couple of changes. Let's decide to edit our thumbnail. So you can view videos that you hold on to that, and you can edit also. We can do a couple of edits onto this. You tap the pencil like icon. So over here you can change the name of the playlist. You can change, put the description. You can change its visibility, and you can also delete it. It depends on what you need. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. Kaboom.